Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have your deck, now add transitions. Open the slide you want, then open motion in view or format options. Select a transition style, fade, slide, flip, and set duration in seconds to control pacing. Once done, use the preview button so you hear and see timing immediately. Make sure to test a short 0.52 0-second duration for most slides. It keeps flow steady. You'll notice how faster transitions speed pacing, while longer ones create deliberate emphasis. Next, refine transitions across slides. Select a slide, tweak direction, and ease in versus ease out to shape motion feel. Once a transition looks right, click Apply to All to maintain consistency, or use Slide Master to embed transitions into layouts for recurring styles. If you need layered effects, combine slide transitions with object animations and sequence delays so elements enter in order. Make sure to preview the whole section so timing between slides and animations reads naturally. Finalize by running the full deck in present mode and watch pacing, pauses, and entrance timing. Make small duration tweaks and keep transitions consistent to avoid distracting viewers. When satisfied, share or export. Note that exported PDFs won't keep motion, so keep the slides link for playback. If transitions don't play, refresh the browser, disable conflicting extensions, or sign out and back in. Make sure you're on a supported browser, and that slide animations aren't blocked by presentation mode settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.